Yo, what's good? This is Soul Trades, and today I'm just doing my trade recap. I'm gonna just be using the channel as a trade recap for real, because I don't be using the channel for anything, and might as well just put it into use. And instead of journaling stuff down and writing stuff down, my problems or like my mistakes or probably just even my winnings in trading, I'm gonna just do it as a YouTube channel. Just I think it's way easier for me to talk to a screen or to a mic and tell you about this. Maybe probably not even gonna get any viewers on this, but yeah. So today, January 13th, I took this trade right here. Even though we had like a very bearish market today, as you can see right here, we were just continuously going down. I took this trade like at 10, so seeing like all of this movement right here, all of this like you can count as all of this as like you've never seen this. See, we're like obviously in a bearish market, so I saw this SMT right here on the 15 minute, I believe, or the 5 minute. Yeah, and I also have some like fair value gaps and like other stuff marked out. And I could have cut this trade right here, but that was before market open because market open was 9:30. And I could have cut the trade before, but I didn't like that, so I wanted to just be like more safer. Let me just delete these zones. And I also had I could have really cut like multiple trades, but yeah. So after this initial move up, after the SMT, we had an initial move up, and I marked the fair value gap, which I should have right here, but I really didn't. So I wanted to stay safe. I don't know. I wasn't like the market was like moving too wicked. Like you could see these wicks right here moving too fast and other stuff. So I didn't like that for real. And I also could have got there was like a lot of confirmations here, but I don't know why I didn't take it. There's an inverse fair value gap right here that Avi got like demolished. So I could really just enter there, put my stops below, and then target at these highs or something. But I didn't do that. So that's not what I'm here for. So I got a little bit too distracted. So I saw SMT and I my bias really just changed for the day since we just started pumping up right after the SMT. So I dropped down to the 5 minutes, see what I can find. Let me see right here. I really didn't find anything other than this. There's this fair value gap here, but I already have it marked in the 1 minute, so I find it kind of useless. And I also found this equilibrium right here from the bottom top and then top bottom. I marked this equilibrium right here, which we know that if it reaches equilibrium, that means it's at a discount. So there was a fair value gap right here, but it didn't like it tapped it, but it closed inside the zone as you can see right here. Let me mark it out. Let me mark out the edges real quick. Where's it at? The borders. Okay, look. There you go. You can obviously see that it closed under it. So I really didn't take a trade off that. But and then I have another one right here. There's another fair value gap right here. It closed below and then it jumped out of it, right? So for this on my broker, this one right here closed above the zone, so I really entered. But I got a really bad feeling my stop loss was right, like at the open of this candle right here, which I'm gonna be honest, I got pretty lucky with this. I was like a little bit away from literally hitting my stop loss, probably like seven, excuse me, ticks or whatever. But yeah, this is the trade I took today. So we hit partials, right partials and break even. So it ran to my partials and I took partials and set stop loss at break even. So what I was really aiming for is these highs right here. I think they were London session highs. No, it was like a little bit before that, but yeah, you could just, I don't know, second the highs. So it was supposed to be a 1 to 5, but I caught a 1 to just round up and say 2 or a 1.98. But yeah, that's what I was really trying to target. And that was my trade for today. And it seems like TJR also took this. Even though I was watching his stream and stuff, I really didn't like. He was just like kept talking to his viewers and stuff, but I didn't really like take his trade off of his because he doesn't even show his trades like on the live after like he takes them and then he says, "Oh, I'm up like something like this," or "I just lost this," you know. He doesn't like show any of that. But I was pretty surprised that I took the same trade as him, even though because I learned everything from him to be honest. So seeing this really just like made me happy from my progress because I already put myself through hell to learn all this information. and yeah, but I'm pretty happy with the result, even though it got break even trade. It was better than a no what's it called? No partials, and I lost it, And I made $58 today, but I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I got a 6 hit account for one of one funded, and this is overall. I'm down like $300 on this account because I really wasn't know what I was doing. My mental was bad and everything. So I guess the week since the week just started, I hit my this is the break even. I think I put it a little bit above break even, but whatever, it is what it is. It would have stopped me out anyways. But yeah, here see you can see my winnings. But it's kind of, I didn't need to work on my risk to reward right here. But yeah, I really just take the trade so it can count as a trade. But yeah, the week I'm up 56, but the other days, yeah, totally I'm down like $300. But it's not even like real money, so I'm not. That's okay. And I'm not giving up on this account. I think I can pass it. So it is what it is. But yeah, today's trade was pretty. I mean, to me, even though like the market was kind of choppy, it was kept going down. I expected it to sweep these lows right here and have it keep going up. These London session lows right here, but it didn't do that. So it swept these right here. But ES, I don't think it did because I have it SMT. Yeah, it did not sweep these lows at all. So you can see right here, it did not sweep it. So that's why it kept just pumping and pumping and pumping going up. And I found a better trade on NQ, so that's why I did it. But this was my trade recap for today, and yeah, hope y'all had a trade like this, or yeah, one I traded today. And yeah, have a good day or good night, whatever.